Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have a form open. Now add the first image. Click a question, the form header, or the floating image icon to open Upload options. Choose whether this image is for a question, option, or decorative header. Once done, pick Upload, Camera, Drive, Photos, URL, or Search. Make sure your file meets size and format limits. If it's large, compress it first. This starts the workflow so you can place images exactly where they support your questions. You'll now place and configure the image so it communicates clearly. After inserting, click the image to resize, align, or remove it. Use the three-dot menu for alt text and replace options. For question images inside multiple choice or checkboxes, attach each image to its option so responses map correctly. If using Drive, set correct sharing permissions. Otherwise, respondents may see broken images. Make sure images, load, and labels remain readable on mobile and desktop before moving on. You're almost done. Preview the form to verify image placement and legibility. Click the Preview Eye icon, test every question, and ensure optional images display across devices. When satisfied, set form sharing and send options. If images are hosted in Drive, confirm viewers have link access so respondents can see them. If something goes wrong, images missing or slow, check link permissions, compress large files, or clear cache. Those steps resolve most display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.